So this is a solid state dehumidifier from a electronic cooler using the Peltier junction. Fan on the hot side to keep the hot side cool. Fan on the cool side. I have set up the cycle every 35 minutes for 3 minutes to defrost the fins. And it drops the water into the sink for now. There's my timer. Running right now. 17 minutes till defrost. Seconds. Minutes. Timer I found on eBay. About $16. All hooked up to a 12-volt power supply. Dehumidifier was scavenged from a Coleman cooler. Surplus. Latest project for now.